Alright, welcome back to Beck. So, gonna be a short video. I'm gonna show you how I changed fuel injectors on an '06 Jeep Grand Cherokee with 3.7. Didn't take a lot of video, so I'm gonna have to splice in some pictures of stuff and try to explain it. Here we go. The complaint was that it stumbled on acceleration, hooked up the code reader, and had a code for number 3 fuel injector. I'll say it was P0203. Can't remember now. Anyway, the code come back stating that the fuel injector circuit was open. So there was no electrical reading coming from the fuel injector according to the code reader. So they had one injector replaced already. So yeah, changed out the rest of the fuel injectors. So this is what the engine bay looked like before I started, and as you can see there's that bar back there. So you have to take that bar off in order to get the air box away from the engine to get enough room to work. Also, make sure you follow all the safety stuff, bleed off the fuel system. I forgot to mention that. And yeah, make sure you're safe. Got the coils. You take those out. So intake off, where them bolts there. Got your dipstick, oil dipstick, loose. Taking off coils to get to the fuel rail bolts. Looks like there's 4 of them. To get to the injectors. Also had to remove that bar that goes over. Alright, they came out pretty easy. Alright, got 5 new injectors because this one was replaced about 3 months ago. And we got a code for one bad injector, which was number 3, so right in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and do the other 5. Okay, those are back in. So to test this, I'm going to cycle the key and check for leaks.
I'll be there.
I'll do it again. Just turn it off and on.
Yeah. I'll be there.
Cool, no leaks. Alright, coils are back in and connected. Fuel line's obviously connected because we cycled for leaks. So, the guy helped me. He cycled the key. Obviously we leak tested it. There were no leaks. We were good to go. Yeah, it ran perfect after that.